Imagine getting paid just for sharing your thoughts on products and services you use every day. With Survey Junkie, it's that simple. Click on the link in the video description to discover how you can start earning today by taking surveys.
Edwin Castro was seen flanked by a huge bodyguard on a recent outing in Los Angeles, amid reports he is spending hundreds of thousands on 24-hour security. The Powerball winner is in the middle of a messy legal clash with Jose Rivera, who claims he bought the winning lottery ticket. Despite losing several lawyers and being charged with filing a false police complaint, Rivera is refusing to back down and is adamant he chose the winning numbers. Although Castro has hired a celebrated defense attorney, he does not seem to be batting an eyelid over the civil case, although sources say he's keen to clear his name. The former mechanic was seen last week beaming as he picked up car plates at a restoration shop in Culver City as he continues to buy flash vintage motors. Photographs exclusively obtained by our channel show the 32-year-old surrounded by his entourage after he was seen arriving in a blacked-out car. He was dressed in his usual casual attire, opting for a navy t-shirt with the word Schrader's emblazoned on the front, merch from a restoration shop in Azusa, California. Castro also wore a pair of navy pants and white and gray Nike running shoes with his long hair fashioned in a ponytail. He was seen checking out a pal's Ferrari and high-fiving staff at the shop when he arrived with his team. In one snap, a pal can be seen patting him on the back as he seemed in great spirits during the sunny afternoon out. One of Castro's bodyguards stood by with his arms crossed, wearing a dark short-sleeved shirt, khaki pants, and shades. According to a report in the New York Post, Castro hired 3 guards on a rotation to protect himself and his assets. According to security company Global Risk Solutions, Inc., who are not protecting him, the price for security can cost between $85 and $215 per hour for one bodyguard. If they worked around the clock, it would cost Castro around $21,000 a week for their services, the outlet reported. A source told our channel Castro barely ever drives himself on outings, unless he's in one of his vintage cars, and is often chauffeured with a member of his entourage. According to documents from his legal case with Rivera, his security team was served with the original complaint for Castro at his multi-million-dollar home off Sunset Boulevard. When and why Castro got sued. On November 7, 2022, Castro bought a winning Powerball ticket at Joe's Service Center in Altadena, California. The grand prize was $2.04 billion, at the time the largest in U.S. history. On February 14, 2023, the California Lottery announced Castro's win, and he took home a one-time lump sum payment of $997.6 million. Castro's identity was released, but little information was known about the former mechanic. In May 2023, Jose Rivera, a gardener from California, filed a lawsuit claiming that he was the rightful owner of the golden ticket. Rivera claimed his former landlord Urachi F. Romero stole the ticket before it ended up in Castro's hands. Since filing the suit, Rivera has been charged with filing a false police report and was ordered to undergo a psychiatric evaluation by a judge. However, Rivera pleaded not guilty to the charge, passed the evaluation, and continues to defend his story. The filing stated a guard told the processor in 2023 that Castro was on vacation and he couldn't accept anything on his behalf, showing he is serious about protecting his home when he's away. He has purchased at least 3 houses since his win in November 2022, when he picked up a lump sum of more than $900 million, before taxes. Castro plunked down $25.5 million on his Hollywood Hills mansion, along with $4 million on a large home in Altadena for his family, and $3.8 million for a beach pad in Malibu. It was previously reported Castro also purchased a $47 million mansion in Bel Air, but his lawyer confirmed to our channel the reports were false, while records also showed he is not the owner. His Hollywood Hills estate is nearly 14,000 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a pool, a gym, and multiple garages. Castro's security team has been on high alert recently after a late-night break-in near his home back in April. An $8 million home in the high-end neighborhood was reportedly broken into, and a call was made to 911 while the burglary was in progress. KTLA 5 News was the first to report the alleged crime and claim,